Growing a forum is a great way to promote affiliate programs. If you're just starting out online, you're probably confused with all the opportunities popping up to make money. In fact, it can be mind-boggling because there are so many different opportunities pulling you in different directions. I'd like to tell you about a great way to make money and have fun doing it. I'm sure you've made someone else some money without even thinking about it. That is, if you've ever been part of a forum. There are forums on the internet for every field of interest known to man. There are places where ideas can be shared and people can meet to discuss their interests. More than likely, you're already a part of several forums. What you may not have known is that they might be making money off of you, and we'll explain that later. Forums are important because people can join them for free. If you do it right, you could have thousands of members that frequent your forum on a regular basis. These forum members can make you money if you recommend a product you promote as an affiliate that will genuinely help them out. You can even use Google AdSense in your forum to help generate income if you like. However, you'll make a lot more money if you're able to promote affiliate products because the payouts will be higher. As mentioned earlier, you only want to promote products that will help people. These can be either information products or physical products. If your members can see that you're only doing it to make money, they may be turned off. This is why it's important to casually mention a product that you've actually used and talk about why you'd think that it might be a benefit to their life. Another way to do this is to place ads around the forum that point to affiliate products. However, this won't be as personal, and you'll be less likely to make money with them. If you're clever with your forum marketing, you may even be able to live off your earnings.